How to change Roblox location if you accidentally change it. Sometimes what happens is you accidentally change the Roblox location. In order to change it, you need to go ahead and open the Roblox app. Make sure to sign in on your Roblox account, and then you need to select the more icon at the bottom right corner of the screen, and on this more page you need to select the settings. On the settings page, select account info at the top of the screen, and on this account info page you have to scroll all the way down, and underneath the gender you will see account location. Since I haven't yet changed my Roblox location, so you can simply select it and select in another country here. So let's scroll down all the way here, and you can easily select anyone you wish to. Once you have done that, here it is been noted that your location determines what is allowed on your account, including the currently used for the gifts, cards, and purchases. So if you are not sure why you need to make changes, you do not need to continue. So you can tap on set location. Once you have successfully changed it, here underneath the box it has been said contact Roblox support to change your account location. So let's s- contact the Roblox support team. For that, let's go back and come out from this account settings page as well. And on this more, you need to select help and safety. Now on this page, select help option. Once you're on this help option or the help page, you need to select I need help with my account option. Now you need to scroll all the way down and select see all 16 articles at the bottom of the screen. And here you need to scroll all the way down and select account location common questions. Once you open the link, you need to scroll down and select why can't I change my account location. Go through all of this information and select need more help, contact support here. And here as you can see that the username has already been written here by default. Now you need to enter the first name, email address, confirm the email address, and you have to select what device are you having the problem on, and you can easily add it. After that, you can also select the type of help category. Let's select how to, and then you can also again select how to order. And on this description of issue, you can easily describe the issue that you are facing, including any relevant information like whether an issue is occurring or the issue error message. If you don't know how to write, then you can easily copy paste this what I have written on the screen. Hello Roblox team, currently I am facing geographical issue on Roblox. I am from, write your current location. Suppose I am from Nepal and previously settled it to there, but I have currently shifted to abroad. You can also write the location here. Suppose United States, and therefore I want to change my location to the United States. So please make the appropriate changes and change my location. So you need to add the location you want to change, that is United States, and you can tap on the continue button. After you tap on the continue button, the Roblox support team will help you to this issue. So remember, there is a 50 to 50 chance of success, so you need to wait for few hours or some days. So thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.